Across the world, there is a sound, an echo of hope, a song of love, a shout of joy.
Hey, how's that project going? Good.
It's the sound of the church rediscovering what it means to be the church. We're reaching back, we're reaching up, we're reaching out. Will you come along and join a movement 2,000 years in the making? This isn't a place of judgment or hypocrisy or perfect people. This is a place of freedom. This is a place of hope. This is a place to belong. And now, let's worship Him, because this is what you've been looking for. This is where you belong.